Hi guys, so I'm back with a little project share. This is a custom order for Deborah. She had seen one of my videos when I uploaded the videos for my design team project for Seneca Pond Crafts, featuring her sun-kissed DigiKit. And she wanted me to create one of those for her. And so this is what I came up with. It's basically the same as the other ones with the exception of just a few little changes here and there. So I'm just gonna go really fast and show you because mainly this is for her to see it and hopefully make sure that she likes it. So for the front, the only change that I made from the cover was that I added some lace at the bottom of the image here, and I added a little blue butterfly, but I used the same lace here, and the back looks like this. So that is what I did. It's a soft cover journal, and I used grommet and seam binding for the closure, and 4 metal corners, and I used the bronze metal corners this time. None of my journals are exactly alike. It never happens. They're just one of a kind like everybody else's junk journals. No junk journaler will make the exact same journal twice, I'm sure. So that's what makes them so unique. Glossy accented the little pear here, and you know, a little bit of German glass glitter here, just a little bit on the grass to kind of accentuate something there. So let's get right in, because I don't want this to be too long because it will be repetitive. So I will show you the difference. So I still have to go in and put, you know, my little touches, you know, like my note from the bookmaker, and you know, my little vintage playing cards that I like to include, and you know, my stamp and stuff like that. But I'll get that done. This is mainly for her to see it. So here I have the glass seam bag, but on this one I added some crochet lace or trim on the envelope and a little white butterfly. And then this is Seneca Pond. This one wasn't on the original, but I'll be sure to link this in the description box below. These are so cute. Look at the anchor with the flowers. Love that. And everything has been stitched onto coffee dyed paper. And then these are the tags, and I used white and blue eyelash trim for these. Love that. And so the lace that I use on the edges of the pages are different. I could not find that other lace that I used on the original journal. I went to 2 Walmarts. I could not find it, so I had to dig into my lace stash, and I opted for this. It's nice and dainty, and the little flowers remind me of like little starfish, so I went with that, and I love it. I love the way it looks. I love the profile. You know, it's not bulky, it's just, I like it. So I hope you like it too, Deborah. And everything has been stitched on to the edge of the pages. Make sure I'm in frame here. Okay. So I have a little banner here, and I added crochet lace at the bottom, and that's a little tuck. Half sheet, I added lace there. Here we have another half sheet, and I added lace there and a little pocket. So this is different from the original. Let me go under this. This is Seneca Pond Crafts graph paper. and a little half sheet. And here we have a side tuck. And another little half sheet here with some trim. This is like a, I don't want to say a quarter sheet, but it's a smaller sheet. I like to have variation in sheets. Little postcard here. And the playing cards from the kit with some crochet trim stitched on. Tracing paper and line paper. And then a little tab here. Love this page with the seahorse. In the kit, then we have onion skin paper and some Edith Holden, and then another little half sheet, another little postcard here. This is new, this wasn't in the original, so I added that with some postcards. And then the mason jar, I added some crochet trim with a little bow there. That gets tucked there. Little swing tab here with some extra journaling. Just have a few sheets here. And then that just closes back with the swing tab. Little glassine bag, and I added crochet trim here. And it's holding a little mason jar. It's been stitched onto coffee dyed paper. Here we have a little envelope. It says beach mail, and in here I have a little tiny tag. Super cute. On this half sheet I put a little ticket that says listen, and another one of those little little dove with a flower. So pretty. Little playing card type tag. And on this pocket I added, stitched on some crochet trim, and then here we have a little booklet. Vintage music paper. Here's another banner. It says C. Here's another little pocket with some trim and another little tag. And I inked everything with like this pretty blue ink. Another journaling card. Little banner. Magnetize one of her trifolds, turn it into an envelope. Put a little bow there, applique bow. It's empty right now, but I'm going to put a couple pieces of ephemera. Here's another little postcard. I love these pieces. By the beautiful sea. Here's a banner tuck spot, another postcard. Another pocket with some trim, and this is a coin envelope. The sea speaks to my soul. Another little card. Another half sheet, a little fabric tip-in with a little bow there and some trim at the top and bottom. And a little flower there. You got a little crochet trim, beach mail. Here you have another little envelope, a little seahorse. And And here you have another little swing tab. And here I'll be adding a couple, you know, little ephemera. So you have another little booklet for extra journaling. Love that. And it closes with a little swing tab. And then I left it open in the back for a tag. And then here you have another little tag with some trim up top. And I use my Martha Stewart punch to give it a little edge. On this half sheet, I added another little pocket with some trim. Another little tag there. Some more Edith Holden onion skin paper. And here's another pocket up top. And some trim here. And what is it here? Of the secret of the sea. 9 paper and tracing paper. Here's another one of the cards with the lighthouse and some more trim that I stitched on. And that cute little boy, he's so cute. And on this half sheet I use a ticket as a tuck. Peach mail. And then this is a poem. More trim here. And this is the back. So all I have to do is add something here, and that's a journaling card with some trim and my stamp. And I hope you like it, Deborah, and I hope your sister likes it. And that is the journal. So thank you so much for watching. I was gonna say walk, and oh my god, for watching, guys. So that is that. Super cute, super fun, and I'll be sending a little baggie of extras so she could play with. And yeah, that is it, guys. Alright, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.